Today in this video, we are going to talk about law of attraction. What is law of attraction? What is manifestation? What are the techniques we use to live a dream life? Law of attraction is very, very simple and very easy. There's nothing complicated. Anybody and everybody can achieve their dream life just using this law of attraction. So what is law of attraction? So law of attraction is, as it says, attract anything. So if you're going to put out negative thoughts into the universe, then you will attract more and more negative thoughts. If you're going to put out positive thoughts into the universe, then you're going to attract more and more positive things. So for example, say if I'm going to say like, I'm not good at this, I can't do this, I cannot do this, oh, this is not possible, that is not possible. So then if you're putting these words into the universe and the universe says like, okay, you cannot do it, you can. So it creates all the circumstances, all the people, all the situations so that you can prove that you cannot do it. So instead of that, if you say like, I can do it, I am good at it, I'm going to achieve my dream, everything is possible, I can do this. So if you have that attitude, and then if you are putting out all the positive things into the universe will create the circumstances and the situations and the people and the resources to you to make it work. So this is law of attraction. So you attract whatever you put outside into the universe. So if that is so simple, why do we always think about negative things when we can attract all the positive things into our life? So let's change our mind. Just train our mind to think everything positive, to see what is positive in that situation or in that circumstances. So that will help us to create our own dream life. So that's very, very simple. And what is this manifestation? We hear in law of attraction, oh, I'm manifesting this, I'm manifesting that. So what is manifestation? It is also very simple. It's nothing that very complicated. It's just what you are creating by your thoughts. So if you can imagine in your thoughts, in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. This is what I have heard from Bob Proctor, and I do follow that. So if you can imagine, everything is like that, isn't it? See, I have a book here. Someone imagined about this book, and then I'm holding it in my hands. So that is very simple. So if you want, you can imagine anything. You can imagine your dream life and then you can create that. So that is called manifestation. It's such a simple one. And then there are so many techniques. I know there's 111 technique, 333 technique, 55 box manifestation technique. I have done these many techniques, and there's so many videos on this as well if you want to watch it. So there's so many techniques, but I'm going to teach you today very simple 5 basic techniques which are really important when you want to achieve your dream life. These are very simple techniques. Anybody and everybody can do this. If I can manifest anything, you can also do it. So it's that simple. So these are the 5 techniques which I use in my daily life, and I use other techniques as well to prove that it works. But if you want to start your law of attraction journey, manifesting journey, then these 5 techniques are very easy and very simple. These are like the foundation for your house. So if you're going to build a house, you need a foundation. So this is like the foundation for your beautiful dream to manifest it. So the first technique, I would say, like gratitude. So show as many gratitude as you want. This will help you in creating more abundance of gratitude for you. So what do I mean by gratitude when I say? Just be thankful for whatever you have in your life. Every little thing, if you're grateful for it, every day, make a journal. Just use any book you have and write down 10 blessings, 10 gratitude, 10 things what you are grateful for in your life every single day. I have been doing this for many years, and this is I don't even know how many books I have used. So this is very simple, and you can do it any time of the day. It doesn't matter if you don't have time in the morning, it doesn't matter. You can do it throughout in any time of the day. So just take a book and a pen, anything will do, and write down 10 things you are grateful for. So each and every time when you write a thing, say for example, I am alive. So I'm thankful for that. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. I have my healthy body. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have 2 eyes which I can see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So every little thing. I have fresh air to breathe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have fresh water to drink. I have good food to eat. I have a beautiful home to live. Every little thing, just write it down and then say thank you, thank you, thank you at the end of it, and read it as many times as you want. And then as you read this, then you will feel like, oh, I'm so thankful that I have all this in my life. And you won't even know that how many blessings you have in your life. As you start writing, then you will get more and more of these blessings into your life, and you will achieve everything in abundance. So when you are grateful for food, you will get even more and more different type of food to taste, to eat. So gratitude is very, very, very important. First and foremost important thing in the law of attraction or in manifestation journey or in creating your dream life. So count your blessings and be thankful for that. So each and every blessings, every single day, write 10 of them, minimum 10. And you will see, you will notice more and more. As you, maybe it's in the beginning, it's very difficult to even find one. So if you don't have anything to write, just concentrate on the body, what you have. Your eyes, your nose, your face, your ears. So start from that. And then the next day you can go for water, the fresh air, and then the roads, the food what you have, the fruits what you eat. So just concentrate on that. So this will be very simple. And the third day, you can go for your clothes, what you're wearing. And then when you go for walk, you need shoes. So your shoes. So just like that. So you will build it up. You will see after 3-4 days, you will be like, oh, I have this in my life. I didn't realize that. And I have that in my life. So that is, then it will build up on you. So that is gratitude. So start doing that and make it as a practice throughout your life. This will help you in creating more and more abundance in your life. Be thankful and grateful for each and everything, every people in your life, every circumstances, every situations. There's a blessings in disguise in everything. That's the first one. And the second one is meditation. I know everybody would say like, oh, meditation, I can't do it. There's so many thoughts. I can't sit. It's too difficult. No, it's so simple. Meditation is the simplest one to do when you learn how to do it. It's nothing. Don't make it too complicated. Just concentrate on your breath. So you can do meditation whenever you find time. It doesn't matter. It shouldn't be, you cannot do it in the morning. No worries. In the afternoon, in the evening, at night before you go to sleep. That's the best time you can do the meditation. So when you are meditating, just concentrate on your breath. So there will be thoughts. So close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position. And then if you want to put on some music, put on some music. For me, if I put on music, it doesn't work. I don't know. I get too disturbed. So for me, it has to be very quiet. So what I do is like at night, it's the best time for me. So when you sit in a comfortable position and then close your eyes, and I usually like to hold my thumb and my index finger like this in this position. It's just helps you to concentrate. This point pressure, it helps you to concentrate and focus. And that's it. And then you concentrate on your breath. You just watch how your breath is like up and down, and you will see in and out, in and out. Just concentrate on the breath. And you will notice that there are so many thoughts which starts coming in. Let them come in. If you get distracted by your thoughts, come back to your breathing. So just concentrate on the breath again. There will be many thoughts. Come back to your breathing again. So this is the way you can practice. So start with 5 minutes and then 10 minutes and 15 minutes. And after that, it's up to you how long you want to meditate. So it will just help you. So there will be thoughts. I'm not saying there are not going to be any thoughts. But as you get distracted, come back to your breath. Concentrate on your breathing. And then you will see, you will start noticing that after a month, for 30 days, whatever you do, whatever technique you're going to use, your brain needs to understand that, oh, okay, in the beginning, it will start resisting. That is like, oh, no, this is not what I am used to doing it. No, I'm not going to do it. But then you start training your brain and say like, cancel, reject whatever you are saying. I'm canceling whatever you are saying. So, and then concentrate on your breathing again. So whatever technique you're going to use it, your brain will start saying like, no, you can't do this. This is not the right way. This is not what you are. But forget about it and say like, cancel, reject. I'm not going to listen to you. I am going to do this. I am this. So this is how you train your brain to look into different things in a positive way. So when you start meditating, you will notice yourself after a month, you will be a different person. You will start looking at the universe and your surroundings in a different way. Even the people who you were looking at, you will see them in a different way. So that's meditation. And then the third one will be scripting your affirmations. Whatever you want, write down in your book. So use a diary for yourself and write down your dreams, everything, what you want to achieve in your life. You want health, you want wealth, you want love, you want abundance, you want a luxury life, you want a beautiful house, car, whatever you want, write down in your book. And write down in present tense what you want. And then look at that and read it as many times as you want. And then affirmation, write affirmations for yourself. I am positive. I am confident. I am happy. I am a money magnet. I am abundant. I am blessed. So always write all these affirmations to yourself and write everything in positive. And keep reading this and keep repeating these affirmations to yourself as many times as possible. Always remember, whatever you feed into your subconscious mind, and if you start repeating it, even if it is a lie, it will believe it. That is what subconscious mind is for. It will believe it, whether it's wrong or right. It doesn't recognize that it's wrong. It's not there. It will believe it. So whatever you feed into your subconscious mind, it will create. So it will have to accept it. So feed it all this, like, I'm a money magnet. I am capable of doing anything. I can achieve my dream. I am fantastic. I am positive. I am confident. I am fearless. So say all these positive things to yourself. And after 30 days, after 40 days, you will notice a lot of change in yourself. And you will see that, oh yes, you are confident, you are fearless, your approach will be very, very different. And if you are afraid of speaking in public, they say like, I am good at speaking in a public place. I can speak to anyone with confidence. So say all these things to yourself. This is scripting and affirmation. Repeat, repeat, repeat. This is very, very, very important. So write all your dreams in a book and the affirmations and repeat and repeat and repeat. And you will see yourself. Do this for a technique for 40 days and you will see and you will say that, oh yes, I have changed a lot. You will not even notice how you have changed into a very positive way. And the next one is visualizing. This is very, very important. So just close your eyes and visualize the dream, the life you want to live, your dreams, what do you want to live as? So just close your eyes and imagine, it's like a picture. It's like a movie in front of you and you are the main person in the movie. You are the hero or the heroine of your movie. So just you're the main character of the movie. So just imagine yourself living in that dream life. And then give that feel like, when you have already achieved that. Say, for example, if you want to live in a dream house and you're already living in a dream house, how will you feel? You will be very happy. So when you are visualizing it, when you're visualizing your dream house, when you're living there, just see like, okay, you are entering into that house and you have a beautiful living room. You have a beautiful kitchen. Just imagine all these things. And how do you feel that? When you're just imagining, when you're just talking about that, how would you feel that? So put that feel into that visualizing. Put that feel, and then you will see, you will create that. You will create whatever you are imagining in your life, and it will come into the physical form. That's for sure. Whatever you think, whatever you feel, whatever you give the feel into, there are many thoughts in our life, and every single day there are many thoughts. Not every thought will be manifested. Not every thoughts will be created. That will be a chaos if everything happens. So whenever you put some feel into that thought, and then when you desire that you want that for yourself, then the universe will create the situations, the people into your life, the resources what you require. And then it will manifest itself. It will be like a dream for you, like, wow, this happened. So that will definitely happen. That's for sure. So just these 5 techniques, very important one, the basic foundation one. If you will only do these 5 techniques every single day without fail, and then you will see how your life changes. Hope you will all enjoy this video and you will all follow these techniques. And let me know in the comment section if you like this video. And please subscribe, like, and also share these videos with your family and friends so they can also manifest their dreams.